Hello! It's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out. We are back here today with another unboxing. We got something sustainable, so excited to show you guys, the future of sneakers. We got something sustainable, so always excited to talk about the new features in sneakers. Let's get started. So today we are unboxing a Nike Dunk High, but something that's a little bit different about this one is that it's part of the Next Nature collection. The Next Nature collection is Nike's futuristic, updated, technological way of moving towards sustainability for the sneaker industry. Next Nature is all about sustainability. I believe that Nike uses a lot of recycled goods from all these past sneakers, defects, whatever you want to call them, but they essentially use recycled goods to make and retool them into a new shoe. Always good to see a brand that's investing into sustainability. So let's get into the sneaker a little bit. First off, like most Nike Next Nature shoes, it does come in this newly updated box. The very top, of course, aligns with the Next Nature collection and Nike's move to become a more sustainable company. On the top of the box, you get the value statement about the Next Nature collection. I would say that Nike's sustainable collection projects, they usually come in this form box. So if you've ever bought a Space Hippie, for example, it does come in this box, just of course a different sticker tag. So this box is nothing new. Value statement on the top. On the sides, you get more branding and more information about this product. As you can see, it was made up with 20% of recycled content. Nike also started adding a little QR code and just some information in terms of like, go ahead, scan it. It's written in a bunch of different languages. The back of the box also says it in multiple different languages about the sustainability of using 20% recycled waste for this product. The back also reiterates the very front and translates that statement about the 20% recycled material usage into other languages to be read. Same goes with on the bottom of the box. Again, a bunch of different translations and then a classic Nike informational little statement on the side here. Taking a closer look at the size sticker, Nike classifies this as a rattan, Black Summit, white sails shoe. Let's open this baby up. And there it is. So obviously Nike didn't include tissue paper in a way of moving towards a more sustainable footprint for the future. I will say it does take away from the unboxing experience. It's such a shame. But knowing that these are part of a more sustainable movement, I mean, I'm fine to take away that tissue paper. So here we have the Nike Dunk High Next Nature Sail. I got this in an 8.5 US men's for my husband. Justin really likes simple classic shoes, so I thought that this was kind of a nice mixture of Nike's new technology, sustainability, combined with the old classic style. Let's get into the sneaker a little bit more. As you can see, my hyperhidrosis is coming along just fine. One thing definitely notable is that Nike Dunks, they are traditionally made of leather. Whether it's real leather, synthetic leather, Nike Dunk Highs are traditionally made with leather. So to see one that doesn't utilize leather is a little bit of a different forward take. And that's exactly what this shoe is. This sneaker features a white quilted upper as well as tan overlays that are quilted as well. Overall, the quilted upper is made of 100% polyester. I'm loving the tan colorway against the white. I think it's like the perfect tan against like a very clean, bright white. This sneaker also features a black swoosh. I believe this is like a fleece-like material. So all of the quilted panels, they all have some sort of texture, whether it's lines going up and down to the side. It all has different kind of textures embedded into those overlays, those panels, and all over throughout the upper. The only thing that isn't really textured is that black swoosh, and that is because the texture is from that fleece-like material, so you can see that very subtly. Moving down, you have a white speckled, I believe these are kind of like gray, bluish speckled, but you do have a white speckled midsole, and then you have a brown Nike Grind outsole, also made up of recycled materials. I believe they use the recycled straps to really make this bottom outsole. Looking inside of the shoe, you'll see that the insole has a little quilted tag sewn on, and it says Toasty. This goes hand in hand with, of course, the sock liner. The sock liner features a white, kind of like actually an off-white, slightly a little bit palish, off-white, fleece-like material. It's said that the sneaker is supposed to be kind of like a winterized shoe, keep you warm and toasty, hence the toasty tag. So even though this is clearly a shoe for the winter, it's extremely odd that this released on July 6th in the dead of summer. One can only assume that there is some sort of supply chain issue here, and that's why we're seeing this kind of like delayed or early release, not really sure. Knowing Nike, they wanted to get this product out the door, and it likely was delayed from last year due to the pandemic and supply chain issues. The upper also features these two little tags on the sides. One is a classic Nike, and one is a bunch with the Nike lines and a little circle featuring the Nike swoosh inside of it. No idea what these stand for, what these mean. I can't even like really find that much information online about them. Definitely a little noteworthy detail, especially because those colors really contrast against the actual shoe and its upper. As you can see, the shoe came with a little tag. This is the Next Nature tag that just discusses that the shoe was made with at least 20% recycled content. This sneaker retailed for $130. Nike classified this shoe as a winterized spin on the 80s basketball icon. Again, not really sure what was the thought in terms of releasing a winterized shoes in July of all times. I feel like you could have even gotten away, you know, with doing this in August, September, with it being fall, and some of the areas are a lot cooler and could definitely use this shoe. I'm going to try to get some on-feed footage of Justin, but he still is not home yet, so I'm not 100% sure I'll be including that at the end of this video. It was really fun unboxing these because I love seeing the new things that Nike are doing, including this Next Nature line. My younger sister Jenna also recently got the Next Nature Dunk shoes in the kind of like pale off-white sail colorway too. I took a look at the shoes when she purchased them, and you know, that recycled material goes pretty hand in hand with that leather that is typically used for the Nike Dunk line. I am not referring at all to the SBs. This is strictly Nike Dunks. You can definitely tell that there's a difference between that and a regular leather dunk, but I think it's really cool that Nike's trying to do these things to move the industry forward and be at the forefront of sustainability. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Next Nature line and Nike's move towards sustainability. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.